But China does remain a key market for Nike. Doing business in that country was a little tricky during the height of the China trade war. But Nike and a few other companies were able to figure out how to grow their operations there despite all of the tensions. Seema Mody shows us how they did it.
Trade tensions and a slowing economy have made China a challenging country to operate in this year. Despite these headwinds, a number of consumer companies have been able to grow their sales in the country, including Nike, which has seen its revenue from China grow steadily over the past 5 years. It's not just Nike. Analysts point to Starbucks, Procter & Gamble, Marriott, luxury retailers like LVMH and Hermes. What these companies have in common is a laser focus on the aspirational Chinese consumer that has an affinity towards Western brands. Plus, they've been expanding their retail operations as a way to strengthen their brand name in the country. Starbucks currently has 4,100 stores in 168 cities across the mainland and is planning to increase its footprint to 6,000 by 2022. Gucci and LVMH are using a similar strategy. Even though China's economy is set to cool down next year, Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt are aggressively expanding the number of hotels. For now, these multinationals are betting that a combination of bigger investments, key partnerships with local players will win over the Chinese consumer. Experts say it appears to be working, but strategists warn that increasing their exposure to China could also make them more vulnerable to the ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions. For Nightly Business Report, Seema Mody.